this is a tutorial on how to enable or disable the old floppy disk drive from the BIOS using the ASUS P5K mainboard. Okay, so let's start the computer and we will enter the BIOS menu using the delete key. This one, press delete here to enter the BIOS. Okay, and now here it is on the first screen, legacy diskette and A. It's enabled and you can set it to disabled, or if it was disabled you can set it to enabled by going to 1.44. but nowadays we don't really need diskettes, so we can disable it. Okay, press F10 on the keyboard, F10 to save the changes and exit. Okay, and the diskette drive, the floppy, is disabled and Windows won't use it anymore. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.